How to link your YouTube account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your YouTube account to your Ubisoft account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in ubisoft.com. After that, simply make sure you are logged into your Ubisoft account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to tap on your profile picture or this icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option called Account Management. After that, you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to simply wait for this page to load up. And now, once this page has been loaded up, simply tap on the option called Account Information. After that, you'll have to scroll down and then where it says Linked Accounts, simply swipe to the right or click on this arrow right over here. Now, once you've done that, you can see the option YouTube. So as my YouTube is not currently linked to my Ubisoft account, it is showing not linked. So simply tap on the option link. After that, a new window will pop up where you'll have to simply wait for this to load as well. After that, choose your YouTube account. So I'll simply choose this account right over here, and then you'll have to scroll down, and then if you want, you can tick on these boxes right over here. But if you don't, skip this process and then tap on the option continue. And there you have it. So that is basically how you link your YouTube account to your Ubisoft account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.